Let me take you through the electromechanical feature that is now available in AutoCAD Electrical. To link an electrical project with Autodesk Inventor, I need to create a link file. Creating the link is a two-step process. I start the link in one product and complete the link in the other. In this video, I will create the link in AutoCAD Electrical and complete it in Inventor. In Inventor, I select the link file by clicking Link Electromechanical Project and assign my assembly. This completes the link and sets up the data exchange between AutoCAD Electrical and Autodesk Inventor. The location view has a tree view of all the devices in the project. Next, I will link some electrical components to the Inventor components using this option. In AutoCAD Electrical, I begin the data exchange by clicking Sync. The component tree gets populated with Inventor components. Next, I will link an Inventor component to an AutoCAD Electrical component. Right-click the Inventor component and select Assign to Existing in Drawing. We can see that the components are now linked, but they have some differences in their data. To resolve these differences, click Details and Connections. In the Details tab, the differences in the data for the linked component are highlighted in the grid columns. Select the electrical component cell and click Accept Inventor. Click Refresh to update the component tree, and as we can see, the differences are now resolved. To view more columns in the Details and Connections pane, right-click on the grid header and select the columns. You can export the component details to a .csv or .xls file for use outside of AutoCAD Electrical. You can also surf from these tabs. Move from the Details and Connections pane to a symbol in the drawing, or the component tree presentation in the component tree view. In the location view, you can filter components by location and installation. You can also filter by the component's linked and unlinked state. We can automate the sync process by configuring the sync settings. When you hover over the components, you can view quick details about them. We have seen how to link and surf from the component tree. Next, I will unlink a linked component. The component tree now shows the unlinked Inventor and electrical devices. You can do file management, version control, and revision labeling for your electromechanical files using Autodesk Vault. Once you are logged into Vault, icons appear in the Project Manager indicating the Vault status. During check-in, the electromechanical files are not displayed in the check-in dialog box. However, they are checked in as a part of the electromechanical project. In the Vault's Project Explorer, navigate to your project and you can see your electromechanical files all checked in. This concludes part 2 of the new features in AutoCAD Electrical 2016. Thank you for watching.